Hello friends, as a part of assignment for the compiler design subject, I have created a lexical analyzer using language and GUI. And I used Tkinter for a GUI purposes. So without delaying, let me show my demo. Let's go. Let's Let me open command prompt here. So let me run my code. So yeah, you can see my output is running here. So let me write any basic C language code and let us see how it works. So this is the code, and this is the basic code I have written. So let's click analyze code and what happens. See, you can see there hash include is showing as a header file. Int is a keyword. Main is a function actually. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and it can identify the predefined functions like printf, scanf, and format specifiers like %d, %f, or else. Thank you.